Alright guys, so we just did a pumpkin hard hat drop test. Smash that like button and make sure I don't know.
Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it. Today we're going to be doing a hard hat drop test on these pumpkins, and we're going to drop some objects from the 6-foot ladder, starting out with this screwdriver. I'm going to see which hard hat is better, the old style or the new style with the chin strap. The hard hats don't quite fit perfect, but we're going to do our best to make it as equal as possible. So,
You want to give them a tour of the tools first?
Sure. Alright, so we got the screwdriver, the drywall saw, 4-square box, 8x8, hammer, tow hook, fish tape, and I'm not sure what that is, so. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, my pumpkin's safe.
Alright, no damage. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there might be a slight mark on there, but so far so good. So moving on to the next tool, let's try the drywall saw. I think this should be fine because it's lighter, but it is pointier, so. 3, 2, 1. Looks good.
All right, reset.
Reset. 3, 2, 1. I think we're good. Doing good so far, 2 for 2. 3, 2, 1. That was a little off-centered.
That sounded bad.
So far so good. Pumpkins are surviving, doing their jobs with the hard hats. 3, 2, 1. Alright, they're doing their job so far. That's what we like to see. This one got a dent. This one got a dent. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, she fell over this time.
She's still doing good. She's still alive. Hard hat, still good. 2, 1.
Oh.
Ooh, that did not sound good.
No, it did not.
Alright. Lost a hair particle. So far it looks good.
Okay.
Doing good.
I think you should do that one again.
The hammer.
Run it back, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Everything's looking good. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that sounds so bad.
So far so good. I think the pumpkin's gonna break before the hard hats.
Don't say that. I feel like this is more likely to break it.
Alright, whatever.
I don't know.
Alright. Box drop. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! My bandana!
Oh no. Alright, so far so good. Got a nick right there. A pretty deep one actually, but still didn't break through, so that's good. That's what we like to see. 3, 2, 1.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed as well. I knew this would come in handy for something. 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's just like not standing very well, but still good. 3, 2, 1. Doing good.
It sounded better than I expected.
Same here.
Electrician's favorite tool.
Should we do this or no?
Yeah, of course.
3, 2, 1. I did nothing. 3, 2, 1. Alright, this is our heaviest object. Hopefully this will do some damage.
Hopefully.
We want some carnage. You think she's gonna make it?
No.
Baby Paige. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Paige lost an arm.
An arm?
So far so good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Better than I thought.
He's protected.
All right, well, I don't know. What are we going to do now? Body slam?
Yeah, go for it. We've run out of heavy tools.
Heavy objects are out of the picture.
So, I think it's time to do a drop test.
On itself.
Yeah, like this.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
She's just rolling around.
H. All right, so no damage. Pages lost an eye. Oh, rough day for Paige.
Time for yours.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, lost the top. Come back! Come back! Ooh, got internal damage. Finally. Got the styrofoam is damaged. Other than that, it's not bad.
Is the inside of the other
Got a
one?
scrape on the back. Other one doesn't have foam in it.
Yeah, we're good.
Other one's good. Chainsaw?
I guess.
Wear PPE, kids. 1. Not bad. Scrapes. Pretty good.
Yeah.
I hate to do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh. We
Full on cut.
got some cut through there, got a hole.
Oh my gosh.
Not bad, actually.
What did you expect to happen?
I don't know. I just wanted to see some damage today. So the top V shape kind of acted as like a extra barrier, but it wasn't really built up. It was just kind of more hollow, so it's about the same. This one did puncture a little bit, but all in all, I'm actually impressed that these are equally about the same. I thought the flat top was going to be more damage prone, but from what we gathered here today with the small test, it looks about the same, so you might be more covered than you think. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you in the next one.
Poor girl.
Should we hit the pumpkin with the chainsaw?
If you just want to mess things up, I mean, it's not ready. Oh,
Keep it rolling.
He's going for it.
Run it back. No PPE. Test. 3, 2, 1.
What the heck? You just got a good pumpkin.
I got a good pumpkin. Paige is about to get destroyed in 3, 2, 1. Better than I thought.
You're just having fun at this point, bro. Look at this.
Back up, Paige.
Bag up, bag up. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
Dropping a box on my pumpkin in 3, 2, 1. Man.
Oh, like you've got a couple of scratches. That's
Ooh,
it.
I got a crack actually.
crack.
I cracked my skull. All right, it's time.
Mine's broken.
It's time for some real carnage.
What you keep saying?
Oh, it's time. It's time to get serious, folks. All right, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, baby! That is cutting like butter. You want to try?
Why are we doing this? What am I doing? Just cutting it?
Yeah.
Wow.
She doesn't care. It's a man thing.
And I think this video is actually a lesson on why PPE is important.
Don't piss your coworkers off and get kicked in the face.
How are you still together? Can I drop it?
Finish it.
You dropping him from up here?
Drop test. 3. Oh!
Yay!
He's broken.
That felt good.
That hurts.
Bye, John.
Not my nose. Yeah,
I can't break.
that's what I thought.
Wait.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel and Plumber Page's channel. We'll see you guys in the next one. Drop some ideas for the next one. See you guys. Peace.
That's what we talk about, cuh. It's John. Kobe, is that what you do? I've never watched basketball a day in my life.
Oh my gosh.
What? John using a broom?
I did no such thing. You better delete that right now.
You're doing great.
That's how I do it. This is my first time.
You're doing an amazing job. Good job using a broom. First time ever.
That's what it's called. That was a braum.
Oh, bro.
Braum.